Hello friends, welcome back to InvestMoneyUAE. It seems like UAE companies are in race to become public. Investors were just resting after the Phoenix Group and Dubai Taxi IPO and waiting for their listing gains, and guess what? There is another IPO. This week, a new company has decided to open IPO subscription. Yes, you heard it right. After the amazing response of IPOs in digital mining and transportation sector, PureHealth Holdings, a healthcare giant, has decided to go public, and for which IPO subscription will start from 6th of December, that's tomorrow. Let's first quickly check the key highlights of the IPO subscription. After that, we will see the company's business overview and financials. If you have heard the following names: SEHA, Ambulatory Healthcare Services, DAMAN Insurance, Purelab, Rafed, OneHealth, Dawak, Dhabi Stem Cell Center, then let me tell you, these are all key subsidiaries of PureHealth Holdings. PureHealth is the largest health group in the United Arab Emirates, and not just in UAE, they have an international footprint in the United States and the United Kingdom. If you wish to read more about the company, you can check their issued prospectus at the purehealth.ae. Now let's buckle up and explore what's on offer with this PureHealth IPO. In this IPO offer, company is diluting 10% of 11,111,111,111 shares. So that's approximately 11 billion total shares of the company. After the offering, ownership percentage will be as follows. Majority stakes will be with Q Health LLC, that is 40.51%. Then Alpha Dhabi Health Holding, that is 35.06%, and then IHC Healthcare Holding 6.45%, AH Capital 5.56%, and Al Ata Investment 2.42%. And total share offered for the subscription in this IPO is approximately 1.11 billion. These offer shares are divided into two categories: professional investor category or second tranche, and 1.06 billion shares are reserved for this category, which represents 95.5% of offered shares. Minimum investment for second tranche is 5 million dirhams, and the other category is retail category of first tranche. Shares reserved for this category are only 50 million shares. That's 4.5% of the offered shares. Minimum dirhams required to apply for this IPO in the first tranche is 5,000 AED with an additional increment of 1,000 dirhams. PureHealth Holding have declared the offer price of 3.26 dirhams per offer shares. Some of you will say that 3.26 offer price is too expensive, but if you check the competitor Burjil's share price currently, it's more than 3 dirhams. Each retail subscriber will be guaranteed a minimum allocation of 250 shares. That means if 250 shares are allocated to you in first tranche, then 250 multiplied by 3.26 dirhams, so 1815 dirhams will be deducted and the rest will be refunded back to you. For both the tranches, IPO subscription will start from 6 December 2023 and continue for 6 days and will end on 11 December 2023. SMS confirmation to all subscribers will be received on 14th December 2023 and refund will start from 15th December. At last, expected listing date of PureHealth on ADX is 20th December 2023. Now move on to PureHealth Holdings business overview and financials. Overall, PureHealth Group have 6 verticals to support their healthcare ecosystem. First, healthcare. Second, diagnostics. Third, pharmacy. Fourth, procurement and distribution. Fifth, insurance. Sixth, digital. Not just this, they have international presence. In May 2023, company through its subsidiary PureHealth Capital LLC acquired a minority stake in Ardent Health Service, which is the 4th largest privately held acute care hospital operator in the USA, with 30 hospitals and more than 200 sites of care across 6 states. In August 2023, PureHealth Holding signed an agreement to acquire 100% equity of Circle Health Group, which is the UK's largest independent operator of hospitals, and also a leading provider of private healthcare services, and operates 52 hospitals and 120 healthcare facilities across the UK. There will be a mixed emotion whether you should apply or not by checking their financials, that this year till September their profit is not that much compared to the last 2 years. But you can check, like this year they purchased 2 companies, which one is in USA, other is in UK. If you check their presence, their business verticals, their area of operation, then this is a huge healthcare giant in UAE. You can subscribe online using following 3 participant banks: first Fab Bank, second Al Maria Community Bank, and third Vio Bank. Or you can visit ADX eIPO portal. Or you can check with your broker if they have an online subscription facility. Like with this broker, International Securities, you can purchase this IPO directly from their mobile app. So that's it, friends. Don't forget the important dates as shown on the screen. And I'm going to apply for this IPO, and that too with all NINs I have in my family. Let me know what your thoughts are and whether you will apply or not. Leave a comment. If you like this video, hit a like button, share with your family and friends. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you. Happy investing.